Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss what is Python and what is the overview of Python. And now I am going to tell you what is Python. Python, listen carefully what I am telling you. Python is a general purpose language implemented by a Guido van Roos in 1987 at Mathematical Science Research Center. It's located in Netherlands, so that's not required for you. Whether you are going to learn. So Python is a language to taking to different various of language features like it's developed on different language features like process oriented programming language, object oriented programming language, scripting oriented programming language, and also modular programming oriented language. By using Python language, we can implement different varieties of applications like data analytic application, automation application, web application, web scripting technologies, and networking with IoT, Internet of Things, admin script like this, and we can implement like GUI apps, animation apps. This is the main advantage of the Python. Python is an open source software platform, independent programming language. In Python software, which is Python software founded is known as C Python. There are so many distributions are available for C Python. The current version of the Python you can see when you are downloading your Python. I will show you how to check the current version of Python. If you want to download Python, go to search engine, type here Python download. When you enter this, it will give you the official site. This one is the official site for the Python. Click on the first link. See here, you will check out the what is the latest version of Python. This is the Python latest version 3.6.3. Right now, I am going to show you how to install Python on Linux or Windows or Ubuntu. This is the simple way to download and to install on Windows or Linux or Ubuntu. Now click on here. I have already this Python software in my PC. So let me quickly open my Python. Go to start button. Here you will see 32-bit. Oh sorry, I'm downloaded for 32-bit. Actually my PC is 60-bit. Not a problem. I'm opening ideally. See how it will be. This is the way. If you want to open in another format, you can open module documents. This is the one way to do Python scripting. What's going on? It's asking for server ready command. I'm giving a equal to, so I'm checking, I'm not going to do anything further. Oh, what happened to this? Let me close this. We don't want this one. Actual we use this is IDRU, Python IDRU. Now what I'm going to tell you is to execute the Python program will taken care by the Python interpreter. That means the difference, that means in Python it has an inbuilt functionality to compile the code. The Python interpreter will taken care by the while you are running any script some simple syntax or subjects, it will taken care by the Python interpreter. Quickly I will tell you the some modes of Pythons. We have two modes of Python program can be developed in two modes. One is interactive mode, another one is batch mode. I will discuss in a little bit. I will discuss what simple description about the interactive mode and batch mode. Coming to the interactive mode, the concept of submitting one by one statement explicitly to the Python interpreter is known as interactive mode. And that means in order to submit one by one Python statement explicitly to the Python interpreter, we use a Python command line shell. What I have opened right now, this is the Python command line shell. Python command line shell can easily open and executing the Python command and the command prompt. See how it will be execute AI equal to, see I am giving 100. I want to print the A value, use that expression, like I'm giving it's showing the enter p value, sorry, A value is 100. It's showing the A value. When I close this, I want to run the same what I have written in the Python interpreter, sorry, Python IDR. I am unable to see that. For that, this is the only once you execute from the Python command shell, the work will have done. It's going to be loose. So for that, we are going to batch mode. The concept of writing up the group Python statements in a file, saving the file with extension of .py and submitting the entire Python file at a time to the Python interpreter is known as batch mode. Like to develop the any Python file, we use editors, IDS, integrated development environment, Python charm, PyCharm, we call it as. Different editors are Notepad, Notepad++, Nano, VI, Gedit, Gedit Plus. These are the tools for the writing group of statements in a one file in the extension of .file. Now I am going to show you some examples. Uh, Quickly discuss about the difference between the Python and other languages. The major difference is many languages require to compile, translate our program into a form that is a machine understands. Whereas coming to the Python, it is a instead directly interpreter into the machine instructors. So source code, we don't need to compile source code in Python. It will execute the bytecode in the form of output. Now I am going to show you some basic simple mathematical fundamentals like numbers. Now I am going to show you. I want to add some numbers. 59, sorry, 5 plus 10. It will give the exact output. And I want to know the minus values also. I am going to show you what is the value of that. See, you will observe here. It will give you the all the positive and negative values. That is the major advantage of the Python. And for division, I am going to show you 27 divided by 7. It will give you the exact value, right? The decimal value. It will give you the decimal value. If you want to decimal number, you use here double decimals. What you call the, sorry, that's a name. There is a name for that actually. In just a second. And you want to check the multiplication process also. If you want to check multiplication, you here you use the star as the multiplication symbol, and you see this is the example. If you want to power multiplication, we use a double star, 2 to the power of, I'm going to see that is the power of value calculation. How to use variables in a Python? What is variable? It is a container, like sorry, it contains some value. This value can be integer or string. My variable, I am going to show you some example. Start with small letter word line capital capture, like I will show you my value, right, equal to 30. Now python doesn't Python is a case sensitive language, so enter my my value equal to 30. See, it's giving, right. If I am adding some value to the my value, caps my value, see, observe carefully, my value plus 30, it will give my value equal to 30, and I am adding 30, 60. If I enter with my value plus 30, sorry, why it's taking, why it's taking, I'm not sure. Let me check, give me just a second. I'm going to modify my values, but my value equal to 40. No, it's going to be, it's work. Anyway, it's going fine. That's fine. I'm very happy for that. Now the main use of variable is, I will show you. Giving some example. Value equal to input. Please observe. I am entering, enter the value, enter the value. It's asking for the value, right? I am giving value 50, right. If I type value, it's giving how much value, right. I don't want to take print option, or if you want to see the output, just give a value. The value, consider the which number, 50. It will give you the exact value output, right. Now you will try to do with the mathematical expressions. I am going to show you value plus 20, right, plus enter. What is it? The trace back is error, right, right. This is the way we can use variables in the Python scripting language. Now to avoid this, we will write the actual variable format value. I will show you I will show you in the above. Value input is enter value, right, enter the value. What we want to do? 20. See, I am going to add value plus 50 into 20. See what happened? It is also giving error. Okay, so don't do like that. Just type your value. See, it's giving value, right? This is the way we are going to use the variables. I hope you understand, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. I will continue next session in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.